Hi, I'm Akanksha Singh from grade 11B. Recently, we got to experience the program run by Kfi Global, sponsored by Emirates NBD in our school. Even though I'm from the commerce batch, I never learned about financing and budgeting in detail. So this really provided me with a lot of knowledge. And overall, it was a great educational journey for us. So I want to thank Kfi Global and Emirates NBD for this experience.
First of all, I'd love to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program conducted by Kfi Global. This program was a brand new experience for all our students, and they taught us a set of skills which are essential for every aspect of our life. These banking and financial skills are definitely going to help us to be successful in our future.
Hi, my name is Kenisha.
And hi, my name is Navya and we are from grade 9.
Thank you to Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program, which was run by Kfi Global, and it was a great learning experience as well.
And it was worth missing our classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Idhanshu Agarwal. I'm from class 11B. Firstly, it was a very great 2-day session which was held in our school. I really want to thank Kfi Global for conducting this program and Emirates NBD for sponsoring it. The knowledge I got from this program, I hope it will be very beneficial for me in the future.
Yeah, my name is Supratim Mandal. I'm from 11B. This program by Kfi Global, which was sponsored by Emirates NBD, has actually given us knowledge on how to manage, plan our financial life. And I believe that all the students who were present in this program was actually beneficial. And yeah, thanks.
Good morning, I am Anthony Koshi, Principal, Global Indian International School, Dubai. Over the last 2 days, we had the Financial Literacy Program by Kfi Global in partnership with Emirates NBD for 50 odd students of our school from grade 9 to 9, 10 and 11. 2 days, 2.5 hours each day. Truly wonderful experience for our students. They were benefited immensely with the experience. Interactive show full of activities for children, inquisitive as they are, they were full of questions, and I would like to thank Giis for being the facilitator. She took them through a variety of financial, pertinent and very relevant financial issues that children, in their growing up period, need to look at. That is basically use of credit card, wise use of credit card. Their credit cards being linked with the parents' cards as a secondary card. How to use them wisely. How she talked a lot about loans, debts, savings, investments. All of this very critical, to their growth, and of course, when they go into they leave school, go to colleges away from their parents, and they have to live an independent life. All of these key aspects of financial literacy, very important for them. And truly, I would always believe that financial literacy is very important for a person's well-being, as if you don't manage your finances properly, it could affect your well-being. To end, I would once again place my heartfelt thanks to Giis, who was the facilitator, Merlin and Kfi Global for arranging a program like this, and of course Emirates NBD for partnering such a noble cause. Thank you very much.